to give Bernie Sanders a huge amount of credit. It's not just because he's from a neighboring state. Hillary Clinton was well known in New Hampshire as well. She just couldn't do it.
That's right. And let's take a look at what is fueling the Sanders victory, because this is just really important, I think, for the contest on the Democratic side going forward. Pay attention to these numbers. We're going to see them again and again in the months ahead. Take a look about young voters, 18 to 29-year-olds. Sanders destroys Clinton on this score. 83% to 16%. They made up about 19% of the overall electorate. He wins them going away. Independent voters, which made up about 4 out of every 10 Democratic primary voters, Sanders again going away, 72% to Clinton's 27% among independents and women. This is the wow number of the night. They are 55% of the electorate, and Sanders beats Clinton among Democratic women 55% to 44%. Those women that participated in the Democratic primary tonight, by an 11-point margin, gave their vote to Bernie Sanders instead of the person who is potentially the first female.
And that's all women. Among younger women, I think he did even better.
Even more so. A much, much bigger margin.
Younger people really overwhelmingly went with Bernie Sanders as opposed to Hillary Clinton. And that is a wow moment right there. Very impressive win for Bernie Sanders, Anderson. And